A foraging guide on Amazon told one reader a deadly mushroom was safe to eat. The author doesn't exist. The publisher doesn't exist. The book still for sale. Welcome to the strangest aisle on the internet, where thousands of AI-generated cookbooks ship every single month, written by machines that have never tasted food. Most are harmless cash grabs. A few can put you in the hospital. By the end of this, you'll spot a fake cookbook in about 10 seconds and know exactly which ones can actually hurt you. Let's get into it. So how big is this? Bigger than one bad book. Picture a factory, not of food, of titles. A single operator spins up dozens, sometimes hundreds of cookbooks, each generated in an afternoon. They flood seasonal searches, grilling books in June, holiday baking in December, whatever you're about to type. When Amazon got buried in this back in 2023, it did one telling thing. It capped self-publishers at 3 new books a day. Sit with that. 3 a day was the limit. That's the scale we're talking about. Here's where it gets personal. Joanne Lee Molinaro built a beloved cookbook, The Korean Vegan, award-winning, 336 pages of her family's story. Then, a near twin appeared on Amazon. Same black cover, same fonts, same chapter headings, just 90 pages, same price, and a bunch of the recipes weren't even vegan. The author's name was Rachel Issy. Search for her. Go ahead. Nothing. No website, no photo, no past. Because she isn't real. But here's the part the operator didn't see coming. Molinaro's day job? She's a lawyer. The knockoff vanished. The catch is, almost nobody else gets that ending. Now, I went in expecting thousands of poisoned recipes. That's not the story. Narrower and weirder. Most fake cookbooks are just boring, bland, repetitive, forgettable. The real danger lives in one specific aisle: foraging. Wild mushroom guides. Because a bad cookie recipe wastes an afternoon, a wrong mushroom can kill you. Experts found AI foraging books listing smell and taste as a way to identify mushrooms. Real foragers will tell you, never taste to identify. The death cap looks just like dinner. People followed these books and ended up hospitalized. That's the line, where annoying becomes dangerous. You'd think a famous expert could shut this down. Meet Dr. Eric Topol, one of the most cited physicians alive. Scammers slapped his name and his face on dozens of fake AI health books and cookbooks. He reported them to Amazon, again and again. What he got back was generic, copy-paste replies. The book stayed up. So, if a world-renowned doctor can't get his own stolen name removed, what chance does a normal shopper have? Yeah, that's the problem. I know what you're thinking. Amazon must have a filter for this. They do, sort of. Since 2023, anyone uploading a book has to disclose if it's AI generated. Sounds great. Here's the catch. That disclosure is private. It goes to Amazon. You, the shopper, never see a label. There's no little Made by AI badge on the page. Amazon says it now hunts these with pattern detection and human review. But operators rotate fake accounts faster than takedowns land. It's whack-a-mole, and the moles publish 3 books a day. So the filtering job, it quietly became yours. Okay, the payoff. How to spot one in about 10 seconds. 6 tells. Any 3 together, walk away. 1. The author has no internet footprint. No site, no socials, no past. 2. Thin page count for the price. 90 pages, $20. 3. A generic cover, or a suspicious clone of a book you already know. 4. No real publisher. A brand new one-name imprint. 5. Recipes that don't match the niche. Meat in a vegan book. 6. Vague, repetitive writing. No headnotes, no story, no sign a human ever tested it. That's it. No app required. Just 30 seconds of looking before you click buy. Here's the bigger lesson. A cookbook you can't trust has the same flaw as an AI recipe app you can't trust. No author. No one who actually made the dish, tasted it, and stands behind it. Provenance is the whole game. It's why a real name on a recipe isn't a vanity credit. It's a safety feature. Remember that foraging book from the start? Still up, still wrong, still written by no one. So check the author before you cook from the page. Next time, I'm digging into why your favorite food brands have gone completely invisible inside AI recipes. Subscribe and stick around, and go check that cookbook you bought last month.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.